12वीचो निकाल 84.99% लागलो.
23 you can see 95.46. For 24 it is 17,511 candidates appear from regular category, out of which 884 it is 884, reserved it is 0, pass percentage it is 84.99. So you can see 23 examination 19,377, of which 18,497 they passed in 23 examination, and the result was 95.46, and in 24 this year the result is 84.99, that is 85%. So it is 17,511 candidates appeared, of which 14,884 passed. Result of Hssc March 2024 gender wise: boys 8,276 appeared, 6,752 passes the examination, and the pass percentage is 81.59%. And girls, they have outshone this examination. 9,235 appeared, 8,132 passed, and the result of girls it is 88.06%. For arts it is 0.33. Commerce, this is the result is 90.78. This is highest among those streams. For science it is, and their percentage is 82.41. Verification of the marks through online portal. This portal will be open on Tuesday. This is 23rd for 2024.
10वीचो निकाल 15 ते 20 मे मेरेन लागतलो. प्रुडंटा खातीर रुपेश राऊत.